This is You Raise Me Up in the key of G. Make sure to stop the video, and if you click on the description below, I do have the chord sheet that'll make a lot more sense as we get going. So this is a simplified chording way to play the piano. I've kind of stripped out a lot of the complex chords. Let's jump in. All right, so look for a group of 3 black notes, and if you put all your fingers right in a row there and play every other note, I'm going to move my fingers out of the way. G, B, D, and you're playing a G chord right there, okay? All right, so move up to the C position, just kind of freeze that shape. Move up to this C position, look for the group of 2. There's a C note right there. C, E, G. That's a C major chord right there, okay? Move up one set of notes again to the D note, and then pick up this black note in the middle. So you're gonna play D, F sharp, A, okay? And you're just playing this triangle shape. If that helps you to kind of see, oh, I need a triangle, black note in the middle, to play that tip of that triangle, right? That's what I think of when I see the D chord, okay? D, and then if you move up one set of notes again, you're in the E minor position. You'll see that E with a little M. E, G, B are the notes that make up that chord, okay? So let's just review those 4. G chord, C, D major, triangle shape there, and then E minor. That's it. Okay, let's take a look at the left hand. We're going to keep things simple here. We're going to put pinky on G and line up my 5 fingers and keep my hand here the whole song. So I'm going to play G here with a G single note down there. Okay. C to C. D triangle in my right hand with D single note. Okay. And then when we play the E minor, I'm going to just open up my thumb 1 note in my left hand. There's E minor to E in the bass. All right. Cool. All right, so I'm going to sing through verse 1 so you can see how it sounds when we add in the vocals and the 2 hands together, and then I'll break down the rhythm of what we are doing. All right? When I am down and oh, my soul's so weary, when troubles come and my heart burdened be, then I am still here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. Okay, so this is a song that's written in 4/4 time signature, and so this rhythm that I do called 1-to-2 ratio or together right works really beautifully. So if we just go on a G chord there, and all we're doing is going like this, together, then just the right hand, together, right, together, right, together, right. Nice marching rhythm, okay? Practice that on any of those chords. So you could just get used to that nice marching rhythm. It'll give you a good foundation to start. All right. Let's also talk about patterns. If you notice any patterns in your music, it helps to simplify your music. And so oftentimes you can find repetitive lines or repetitive chords that go back and forth. So let's take a look at, it looks like the chorus has E minor, C, G, D, and lines 1 and 2 are the same thing there. And for the most part, the lines 3 and 4 on the chorus are the same as well. The verses, verse 1 and 2 are the same. Okay, so that's 2/3 of your song. And there's no really repeating chords in the verse. Oftentimes there is. But let's jump into the verse 1 slowly so you can jump in with me. Here you go. So we're going to start with that G chord. When I am down and oh, my soul's so weary, when troubles come and, okay, we're going to play that C chord for that my heart burden, D chord, be, then I am, C chord, still and wait here in the G, silence, C chord picks it up there, until you, G, come, and D chord, sit a while with G, me. Okay, Then we loop into that chorus. So this is where our thumb is going to open up one note, play that E minor, and we're going to play the E minor here, starting out. And you start with the vocals, you raise me, and then come in on the word up, okay? You raise me up, so C chord. I can stand on G, mountains, D. You raise me, E minor, up, to C chord, walk on stormy G, C's, D. And I am G, strong when C chord, I am on your G, shoulders, C. You raise me, G, up to D, more than I can, G chord, B. There is no life. Then you loop back into verse 2, which is the exact same as verse 1. All right, so some simple steps to kind of work your way through this. Go with just the right hand only a couple times till you become really familiar with where you're going. Then maybe just do the left hand only, and then bring the two hands together. And then you can also break up verse 1 and 2 being the same. Break them up, just do that one, and then just the chorus, and then bring the whole hands, both hands and both verse chorus together. All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end. If you goof up, just find your next chord that you can hop along with me. Have a lot of fun. Sing your little heart out. You could do it. When I am down and oh, my soul's so weary, when troubles come and my heart burdened be, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. There is no life without its hunger. Each restless heart beats so imperfectly. But when you come and I am filled with wonder, sometimes I think I glimpse eternity. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up to more than I